What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics service by Microsoft. It provides interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities, with an interface simple enough for end users to create reports and dashboards. It allows users to connect to multiple data sources, clean and transform data, create custom calculations, and visualize data through charts, graphs, and tables. What is Tableau? Tableau is a data visualization and business intelligence tool that enables users to connect, visualize, and share data in a highly interactive and intuitive way. It allows users to quickly analyze and explore large and complex datasets using a drag-and-drop interface without requiring coding or programming skills. Tableau provides a wide range of chart types and visualization options, such as line charts, bar charts, maps, scatter plots, and many more. Ultimately, the choice between Power BI and Tableau depends on the specific needs of the user and their organization. Power BI may be a better fit for Microsoft-centric environments, while Tableau may be a better fit for organizations with more complex data integration needs or advanced customization requirements. So that's it for today. See you again. Bye-bye.